Previously on Tokyo Drew. The most lucky bag in the history of lucky bag, unlucky bags. Yeah.
The next day.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This is a Fukubukuro video. What is Fukubukuro? Well, it means basically a Japanese lucky bag. Now, like I had said before, in Canada they have Boxing Day, in America they have Boxing Day and Black Friday. There's all kinds of different special shopping days, but here in Japan they don't have anything like that. But as soon as the new year hits or end of the year, they have Fukubukuro shopping bags and lucky bags. And basically it's just they take all their old stock, they throw it into a bag, and they discount it heavily. So basically, maybe you go out and you buy a $50 bag, you don't know what's inside. Sometimes you actually do though, and there might be like $100 or $150 worth of stuff. So today, I'm going to start off with, I went out to get this one. It's called a Happy Bag. I already know what's inside of it, but I thought it was a little smart on this one because I only paid $10 for this bag. And I'm just going to open it up. And basically, they already told me what's inside. But check this out, okay? So it's basically a household thing. So I've got some laundry soap. It's still probably worth anywhere from about 200 to 400 yen. I'm not sure exactly what this is though. I'll find out later. I think it's like a stain remover or something. Still probably a couple hundred yen. This here looks like something for the laundry again. Something probably like a fleecy kind of thing. Yeah, fabric softener. Some fabric softener or something. Of course, these are all Japanese products. Not sure exactly. I will find out later. Actually, it's bleach. And some room freshener spray kind of style thing. Now, all these things combined probably work out to about $15, $18 if you bought them individually, and I only paid $10. So right there, that is a bonus, getting all these household items for cheap as a lucky bag. All right, now here comes the good one. This bag here, this cost me 3,000 yen. And in small print writing on the sign, it actually said that there is approximately $150 worth of merchandise inside this bag. It's 5 times the price. Now, this is from the General Store Railway. And if you all know me and my love for trains and train stations and all that stuff, well, this is the store to shop at. All right, so I'm back at the railway store, and they got Fukubukuro bags here. It looks like 3,000 yen here, and it's about $150 worth of stuff inside. let's open this up here. I am really excited. I just can't open it here. Okay, this here is the actual bag that I ordered here, the lucky bag, and you can see that it's from the General Store Railway here. This is going to be awesome. And then they actually gave me another like little gift kind of thing. Let's open that up first. Oh, there's something else inside too. So it looks like I have, not exactly sure what this is. I will figure this out, but it looks like kind of like a special ticket, souvenir ticket or something. Not exactly sure, but another coffee cup. And how cool is that? Super Express. Now that, for me, right there, that's pretty awesome. But let's get into opening this up. So I'm not exactly sure, but here, let me cut the tape here. Okay, let's look inside. Okay, so remember, there's supposed to be 150,000 yen of stuff in here for 3,000 yen, and I just put my hand in here. I'm kind of doubtful, but... Huh. Do you remember the Unknown comic on the Gong Show? Alright, so it looks like I got something already pre-packaged here. Woo! I'm excited, but I'm not exactly sure. So let's dump it all out here. And let's see what we got here. So, first looking at this, it looks like awesome! I got the E233 train bento box. That looks pretty cool. This I will use for work and my lunches. They actually took the price off here, so didn't like that, obviously. East Japan Railway Company, Hokutose. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but... And they took the price off again. Some sort of like a little pencil case. Oh, this little thing here that they left the price on. 1,000 yen just for this. And it is the logo of JR from Beams Design. And basically it's a little tissue holder. So in Japan you get those little tissues that they hand out to you at the station and stuff. And you can put your tissues inside here, but that's a $10 tissue holder. But it does have JR on it, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. We got a towel, it looks like. So that is pretty cool. Everything Beams Design. I'm looking for a price here, but it is 2 different ways. Don't miss the last train! That's pretty cool, actually. It looks like we got, I'm not exactly sure what this is here. But again, that's another $10 item. We have, oh cool. We got some like little file folders here in the shape of trains. And some clear files, which doesn't make sense because it has no logos on it or anything. So I'm a little disappointed in that. I was hoping to get this Don't Miss the Last Train tote bag. Pretty cool. And then there's this package here. No idea why they're giving me just a generic kind of a marker here. But I did get lucky actually because it has Omiya on it. Omiya is where I work. So that's kind of cool. Looks like a little keychain. Shinkansen Cube key holder. Not bad. Everything is Beams Design, by the way, it looks like. But this is kind of a coin. No coins in here, though. Would have been a little better if there was coins. Looks like I just got a generic style pencil and a pen. And it's got the logo of the D51 train on it. Another kind of, oh, this is like a cell phone thing. This is the Series 103. And last, I got 4 trains on this. I'm not exactly sure what this is, so I better open it. It's too bad that you can see that they've taken the price off of everything. It would have been nice to see the exact value of these things, but I'm really happy with this bag. For 3,000 yen, I can put a lot of this stuff to work, especially that bento box. Like, I'd probably pay 25 bucks just for that bento box, so that's pretty cool. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, so I opened it, and basically these are just pins that you can put on your jackets, or, you know, collector pins, but that's pretty cool. I like that. If you like trains, that is. So yeah, that's basically my $10 Fukubukuro bag. I already knew it was in it, and I am super happy about this the train Fukubukuro bag. That was pretty freaking awesome. The bento box, this towel, like how cool is this? And in Japan, a lot of people say this, don't miss the last train. So that's pretty cool. Pencil box, keychains. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So this is my review on Lucky Bags. I am not going to go buy any more Lucky Bags. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep it real, keep it raw. Stay true to yourself. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, keep it real, y'all.